Okay, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see about the historical background of India, which is comes under is Constitution of India. The first point is India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. And second point is Constitution. A word comes from Latin word constitutive. The third point is the document lays down the framework, the democrates, fundamental political code, structures, powers and duties of a government institution and set of fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizens based on the proposal suggested by M. Roy. And those documents and rules and regulations are written down into a single document, a set of legal documents which was named as a Constitution of India, that means a COI. In that Constitution of India, there are two types. The first one is the codified constitution and second one is the uncodified constitution. Codified constitution means it was written as it was contained some set of rules and regulation laws written down into a single document. Our India comes under a codified constitution because it contains set of rules and regulations and policies. Next one is the uncodified constitution. UK and US or comes under uncodified constitution. And next point is our India is the longest written constitution of any country in the world because it contains 1,46,385 words compared to all other constitution of India. That means constitutions. It was written in two languages. First one is the English and second one is the Hindi version. And next point is Constitution of Monaco is the shortest written constitution because it contains 3008 words. In that, first meeting was arranged in the year of 1946 December 9, and that at the time the total members were 389 members. The chief member is Sachidananda Singha. At the time he was dead. So the next chief member is Rajendra Prasad. Next is assistant chief member is Mukherjee. So the total term is changed into 2473. So next meeting was arranged in the year of 1950. At the time, the Ambedkar are head of the Constitution of India. So he was called as a father of COI. That means a father of Constitution of India. The final consolidated document was arranged in the year of 1949 and November 26. The final approval date is 1950 Jan 26. So next is the Constitution of India major features. The first one is the lengthiest written constitution and second one is the drawn from various sources. The first point is lengthiest written constitution because it was very comprehensive, elaborate and detailed document because it contains each and every rules and regulation what we followed in current situation. And second point is single constitution for both the center and the states because Tamil Nadu is comes under state and center is central government or state government. So both the government followed only one Constitution of India written document. And next one is the both is justiciable and non-justiciable right because it contains both the document. Next features is drawn from the various sources. First one is the structural part and second one is the political part and third one is the philosophical part. Structural part comes under Government of India Act of 1935 or 1936 or 1937 and political part comes under British Constitution because British Constitution having separate rules and regulation. Next philosophical part means it comes under American and Irish Constitution. And next is the Regulation Act of 1773. The first step was taken by the British Parliament to control and regulate the affairs of the East India Company in India. And second point is designate the governor of Bengal as the Governor General Bengal. Next is the Warren Hastings become the first Governor General of Bengal. Executive Council of the Governor General was established. At the point a Supreme Court was established at Fort William. And next is the